Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Thursday, May 8th, 2025. Let's take a look at the charts. I am going to start with, I'm looking right now. I don't have the one that I really want to show you. It's not a big deal. It's the 287.62 channel top. We settled above that over a week ago, only to come collapsing back the very next day. Most of the time, that failure to follow through on a buy signal that is as classic as this one does imply a bearish continuation beyond what we've already seen. In fact, holding below 287.62, you can stay short or get short the market at that price point and anticipate over the next 3 to 5 weeks or sooner the 217.40 channel bottom, this newly formed structure that is based in part on the recent highs, with present volatility every bit of 3 to 5 weeks. If we close below 270.66 today, that sets the ball in motion, so to speak. We then discontinue this consolidated framework that has occurred over the last week and should then see progressive declines over the next 2 to 3 weeks to 217.40. On the way down, 254.56 offers decent day support as a 50% downside retracement. Now, under more recent volatility, you could say that breaking or opening today below 270.66 should yield 254.56 intraday. I don't see that happening. If we close today below 270.66, this could take several days to reach 254.56. But if we close below 270.66, this after having tested 287.62, not only testing it, but closing above it, setting off a buy signal that was then rejected. That's sort of an enhanced bearish framework. Then if closing below 270.66, we should within 2 to 3 weeks test 217.40. So 3 to 5 day swing traders, though, can buy 270.66 and take profits at 287.62, and vice versa. You can sell 287.62 and buy back at 270.66. I'm talking to 2 to 3 to 5 day swing traders. A 3 to 5 day swing trade does shift south. If we close today below 270.66, then your 3 to 5 day target is 254.56. But we all the while maintain what I'm going to call a 3 to 5 week objective at 217.40 that becomes more like 2 to 3 weeks if we settle today below 270.66. Until then, there is room for this market to rally back or climb back to 287.62 over the next few days, where we can top out on a monthly basis and fall away and expected to fall away to 217.40 over the next 3 to 5 weeks. Now, there is this short-term channel top at 295.21 that we're using as our more aggressive up pivot. Certainly, if we close today above 287.62, that begins to look bullish again. But really, given the fool me once, fool me twice sort of framework, closing above 287.62, you might wait for a settlement above 295.21 before aggressively buying Tesla as we move through May and into June. Now, if we close above 287.62, and if you're short the market right now, that is probably reason enough to exit your short position. But in terms of reversing and going long, that would be clearly indicated with a settlement today above 295.21. Then expecting 3 to 5 day swing traders, 319.02, a 3/8 upside Fibonacci, and over the next 3 to 5 weeks, 369.31, which is a descending 2/3 speed line that can contain monthly buying pressures when tested. It becomes a 3 to 5 week objective if we close today above 295.21. Until then, 287.62 is your ceiling, once again below which 217.40 likely within 3 to 5 weeks, and if we close today below 270.66 within 2 to 3 weeks. Just a reminder that on Tuesday of this week, wickedstocks.com put out a stock pick on GitLab, right on the edge of a meaningful longer-term buy signal. And by that, I mean over the next few months where gains of 30% or more perhaps are possible. And we're going to put out another stock pick today. You can see them both for free by going to wickedstocks.com and taking advantage of our 5-day free trial, where you'll also see daily triple Q and daily SPY analysis, weekly Apple stock analysis, etc. So go to wickedstocks.com and take advantage of that 5-day free trial. I will be back tomorrow, of course, with Friday's Tesla report, and you have a great day.